first organized here in the main campus by hard efforts of Mir Imran and Burhan. Before starting presentation, I want to address you that 5 teams had participated in the league, and the winner team of the league is Dili Aabid's team. There are various performances which came on front in the tournament. Some performances are 2 from this match. This final match was played between Burhan's team and Dili Aabid's team, and the champion of Dili Aabid's team. The best performance or the man of the match is Munir Siddiq. Now I am announcing the best performance of the tournament, and that the award goes to Aabid Shafiq. Please come on, friends.
Shabash! Yeah, go! Babar!
I request Mir Imran to come on front. He's already in the front and take the award from the Asrar Financial Society for his tireless efforts to organize this wonderful tournament.
Shabash!
Losing and winning are the part of game. So now I request the runner-up team individually come on front and take award of honor from Suhail Sadi.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Winning captain! यहाँ पर नहीं देखा